Hey guys, I'm going to show you today how to get an API key for Gemini, or if you want to use anything for image gen or video gen like VO3 or Nano Banana. So it's not actually through the Gemini app. You want to go through Google AI Studio. So in here, you can type that in, or you can go to aistudio.google.com. Click there. Pretty simple here. I'm right in the main dashboard here, but if it doesn't show up, you can see there's Get API Key here in the bottom corner. And you can just create API key. You can call it your Gemini. You might want to keep it Gemini API key or whatever. Select the project that you're using. You can just do default and create key. Once again, keep this key safe. This is the key here. I'm going to delete this, so I'm going to delete it right now. But yeah, that's your key. That's your API key.